This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for March 14th, 2023. It's currently February 3rd, 2023, 4:46 p.m. Eastern Time. Excuse me. The overall theme and behavior, we have the devil card, guys, so an intentional fake-out, shakeout of some kind. It's interesting that it's nullified, and also when doing the reading, the shuffle for this reading, I got a clairvoyant impression. I received a clairvoyant impression of the devil card as well, so it gave it extra emphasis. Interesting that it's nullified. That's an interesting card to see nullified. So I'm curious to see how it plays out. But behavior around the highest high, we have a crest that we sell down to and through a support level on a one-day scale. We do a U-shaped reversal below that support level, come back and reuse it as support. So that's that crest that we sell down to and through support from. That's the highest high behavior around the lowest low. We have erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, in the midst of which we should revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity within close proximity to the low. But there's a nullified theme card, a nullified high, and a nullified low. This may be one of the most difficult readings to read, especially because it's tricky. It's a devil card. My sense is that we opened higher, or we had a gap up overnight, I should say, and then in the pre-market, there's a sideways S decline that takes place within a channel. So we have either horizontal support and resistance, or we have like at an angle to the downside support and resistance. But in either case, we go from the resistance down to the support, do a full reversal and full retracement back to resistance, and then a reversal and full retracement back to support, creating a sideways S there, with a big move to the upside right around the open, reaching for a distant resistance level. It's very likely that we could be revisiting this price level that we danced with a couple times, this Ace of Swords price level that we danced with a couple times on the 13th. It looks like we probably revisit here. We reach for a distant resistance, unexpected move to the upside, and there's three pokes through that resistance, followed by a full retracement. No? Okay, so three pokes through the resistance, followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke, followed by a prominent move higher to what's probably the high for the day. And then that prominent move higher is retraced. There's a full retracement, like a move all the way back down to where that move higher started. It makes like a triangular shape on the chart, with a high somewhere probably around 1145-ish. Then that bullish trend is halted when we decline through key support. Looks like it's that Ace of Swords energy again. So we may revisit that Ace of Swords energy, or that price level again. That's probably where the high is. We decline off of it somewhere around like midday into the mid-afternoon. But there's a decline through key support. And selling from near overbought crest or peak there, or between like 12 and 2, and then approximately 2:15, there's a notable move to the upside standing out on the one-day chart. It is followed by a notable move to the downside in the last hour. Not quite as big of a move to the downside, but I am advised not to chase the rally. There's a reversal in the post-market. There's probably a fake out here towards the end of the day based on this, what I'm seeing, this behavior here, and the advisement not to chase this rally here. Sneak preview for the following day. We open higher at an overbought crest or peak, and we in the pre-market, and we sell off from there in the pre-market. That's the S&P 500 for March 14th, 2023. My friends, don't forget to follow that rule of karma. Super important. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, guys, give back to the channel. 5% of the profits, PayPal here, Cash App here, and make sure you're paying 5% of the profits as well. That's the main goal of the site, is to perpetuate good deeds into the world. Please make sure you're being an angel investor. That's what I call you guys. You invest, and you take some of that money and you pay it forward like angels. And with that said, guys, I'm really happy to see more and more people doing that every day. It's a really, really beautiful thing to see. I'll see you guys on the next one.